you have a laptop and internet, you can make $100 per day using AI, even if you have zero experience. And no, this is not crypto, not dropshipping, and not some fake guru method. In the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show you a simple 4-step system that beginners can start today. Let's get straight into it. Most people fail online because they jump from one method to another. One day it's dropshipping, next day it's trading, then it's YouTube automation. They watch hundreds of videos, but make $0. Why? Because they don't follow a system. So here's the simple system. Step 1, use AI to create value. Step 2, turn that value into a simple service. Step 3, offer it to small businesses. Step 4, repeat and scale. Let me explain. Step 1, we're going to use AI to create social media content for small businesses. Think about restaurants, gyms, coffee shops, local clothing stores. They all need Instagram and Facebook posts. But most business owners don't have time to create content. That's where you come in. You open ChatGPT and ask it to generate social media captions for a local restaurant. For example, create 10 engaging Instagram posts for a pizza restaurant. Within seconds, you get content. Then you take those captions and put them into Canva. Choose a simple template. Add a stock image. Done. You just created professional content in minutes. No design skills required. Now, step 2. Turn this into an offer. Instead of saying, "I can help with social media," you make it simple. Offer. 10 posts for $100. Clear, simple, easy to understand. Businesses don't want complexity. They want results. Now, step 3. Where do you get clients? You have 3 options. Option 1, Fiverr. Create a gig offering social media content packages. Option 2, Upwork. Apply to small business content jobs. Option 3, direct outreach. Go to Instagram. Search for local businesses. Send a short message. "Hi, I help businesses create ready-to-post social media content. Can I send you a free sample?" Messages, maybe one replies. That's normal. This is a numbers game. Now, step 4, scale. Once you get 2 or 3 clients, repeat the same system. You can even hire a freelancer later to do the design work for you. Now you move from working in the business to managing the system. That's how you go from $100 per day to $300 per day. Let's break it down clearly. AI does the writing. Templates do the design. You focus on selling. That's the blueprint. And here's your action plan. Today, create 1 Fiverr gig. Use AI to create 3 sample posts. Message 10 small businesses. That's it. Don't overthink it. Don't wait for perfection. Start. Because the difference between people who make money online and people who don't is action. If you want more simple, practical systems like this, subscribe to Profit Pulse. No hype, no fake screenshots, and start building.